Good evening, my fabulous 91. So, yeah, this is a bit of a phone look, but I couldn't get anything else to work outdoors, and it's starting to storm. So, this is what we're getting. I'm gonna taste test these. It's some Japanese gummies and some flavors I haven't had before. There's the mango, strawberry, and something called lychee. If I'm not saying that right, I am so sorry. We're gonna get right into this. And let's see. Oh, they're in different little packets. This is different. So this is the mango one. I'm gonna see. Here's what it looks like. Typical translucent gummy. So anyway, as I was saying before my camera decided to cut off. So a typical translucent gummy, and now I'm just gonna try and taste it. That's good. Now, I don't think I've ever had a mango, but this is a pretty decent gummy. So that was the mango one. I'm assuming this is, yeah, this is a lychee. Sort of a metallic, yeah, if you notice, all the packaging is sort of a metallic color. This is the mango one. And this one's sort of a metallic mauve color is how I would describe this. And oh, it's unexpected. So I thought this, since the mango one was yellow, I thought this one would be sort of a red color, but instead it's clear. Sure, I like this as much, but that's okay. Though I'm showing almost. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the strawberry one. Okay, let's see. This is gonna be pretty. Oh, this one's kind of an orangey color. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, that one, so I think the mango one was the best one. That was the only one that actually tasted like what I would imagine the fruit to taste like. And yeah, the strawberry one didn't taste like strawberry. And the lychee, I don't have anything to compare it to, so yeah. I don't even know what that is. As a fruit. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my merch down in the link in the description below. The promotion for the summer is now over, so I'm gonna try to come up with something for back to school. So yeah. For free shipping, I'm gonna try to come up with something new for that, and even though there's the expiration date, I'm gonna take it down off my website since it's expired. And all the things. And you can also follow me on social media, link down in the description below. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!